Well, work on the internet is still a form of creative expression. Your creative expression. Either you've taken a photograph and it's your creative work and you've uploaded it online, or you've done some pretty painting or some creative work that you want to share with everyone. You put it up on Instagram or another site. It could be articles that you've written, you feel it's good quality and I want to put it up. So it's your creative expression that you've posted on the internet. This creative expression is a form of copyright, which in turn is a type of intellectual property right. Intellectual property right is vast. It's an umbrella term used for various types of rights. Now, when you hear trademarks, you hear patents, you hear industrial designs, you hear trade secrets, confidential information, all of those are creative creations by individuals or a group of people which can be protected. And it's protected by way of intellectual property right protection. Now, copyright is one type of intellectual property right. Okay? Now, also to give you an idea what falls under copyright, this is what you're looking at. You're looking at everything that's created by someone. It could be either through the visual eye, through multimedia, through writing, through sound, in 3 dimensions, or through motion. Again, examples of creative expressions. I might be dwelling too long on this, but you really need to gain knowledge on what falls under copyright for you to understand further on how copyright relates to your work on the internet. These again are paintings, photos, songs, novels, poems. See, all these can be posted on the internet. Songs can be put up on YouTube, could be put up on MySpace. Novels could be put up as well, could be uploaded. Poems, plays, music, choreography, sculptures. Okay, it's a bit difficult to put up sculptures on the internet, but it also falls under creative expressions. We have buildings, movies, and computer games. Copyright protects original works. Copyright protects a wide range of works. I've already discussed it, so I don't want to go too much at length. You are reading the slides, so you can just see the type of written works that fall under copyright. There's just a list which is not exhaustive. Then it protects musical works and artistic works, also discussed earlier. Dramatic and choreographic work, films and multimedia products, and computer program. Computer program, some softwares are protected by patents. It's a very grey area, I don't want to dwell into it, but some are protected by copyright and some are protected by patents. Really depends on what type of software you've created. Now, copyright does not protect ideas, concepts, and facts, but only the expression which is contained in a medium. What does this mean? It means whatever you're thinking of, if you discuss about it in a coffee shop with a friend and say, hey, I have this idea, and let's say your friend runs off and actually executes the idea, comes up with something, let's say comes up with a play, comes up with a novel, comes up with a book, they've put in that idea into an expression. It means they've materialized whatever the idea is. Copyright protects the material effect, what has come out of the idea, not the idea itself. So let's take an example of a recipe book. A recipe book has a lot of recipes. The example here is a vegetarian cuisine from South India. And in this recipe book, there will be various recipes in there. Now, when I say that it protects the material that the idea has been expressed in, if you talk about a recipe and your mom has given you a recipe, your grandmother has given you a recipe, and you talk about it, and someone else goes and writes a book, and they've taken this information and they sell the book, you can't do anything about it because they have taken the idea and expressed it in a book, but you can't sue them for anything because they've only taken your idea. You can't protect your idea.
At my website, you'll find online financial seminars, which is I call webinars. I do it regularly, and also a lot of online investment and financial courses, which is conducted solely online. So I'll be waiting for you at my website at KCLau.com. I wish you have a great day. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.